This is as bad as I have ever seen it in Colorado Springs. A look here at I-25 from Academy Boulevard. I mean, you can barely see down to the edge of the highway here. Following our latest severe thunderstorm warning up here in the north end of Colorado Springs, impacting the Village 7 area up to portions of eastern Glen Eagle, and now getting into Black Forest. As that sun breaks through, that'll offer the opportunity for some widespread showers and thunderstorms well on through Wednesday afternoon, evening, and maybe even into the overnight hours. So we'll have to watch that heavy rain for some street flooding and really kind of our best opportunity to see a real threat to our area burn scars of widespread and heavy rainfall. First getting going west of I-25, likely after midnight. And then we'll start to see some of that trying to sneak into the Palmer Divide up and into the Monument area before some of that steadier snow tries to work its way into maybe downtown Colorado Springs, down to Pueblo, a bit of a change over there, and into Canyon City. You know, something that always blows my mind is how much colder it is up on the summit of Pikes Peak than it is down here in Colorado Springs, about a 40-degree difference. Good afternoon. Welcome back, everyone. We're continuing our 11th breaking weather alert coverage here. So far, this is what we've seen for snowfall out there. 6 inches Cripple Creek, 8 inches for Woodland Park across parts of El Paso County today. Numbers are a little bit lower, but also that wind now so strong, it's going to be really difficult to get an accurate measurement about how much snow has actually fallen here. So as we continue in your hour-by-hour forecast, thankfully, we're kind of in the worst of the storm right now. Things will start to improve here, at least in terms of snowfall. As we get on through the evening hours, through the 5, 6, 7 o'clock hours, that snow will start to taper, mainly impacting portions of northern El Paso County up to Monument Hill. Still dealing with snow showers by late tonight, early Thursday morning for Woodland Park as well. But you notice we are drying out here from the Springs down to Fountain and into the Pueblo area. Also, snow showers ongoing through the commute for your day on Thursday and eventually finally clearing by midday tomorrow. Still going to be cloudy, still going to be cold, but the impacts, at least from the wind, could still keep blizzard conditions around well far enough or well long enough, even for those who have seen that snowfall end. So wind gusts through the noontime hour, even into 2, 3, 4 o'clock, still gusting closer to 75 miles per hour. This is not a typo. We've already had a wind gust at the Springs Airport of 74, gusting close to 80 miles per hour possible here across portions of El Paso County. Wind remains strong right on through the evening hours, late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It could either wake you up, make things difficult to fall asleep tonight. And in fact, that wind remains strong even just before sunrise tomorrow morning. Wind gusts are going to be upwards of 45 to 55 miles per hour here. So again, long after snow is done, we could still be dealing with ground blizzard conditions out there. This is a very powerful storm system, and we're really not going to see too much improvement from the wind until we get after midday tomorrow. So you're looking at about Thursday night to see significant improvement out there. Snowfall potential right on through tomorrow morning, about 3 to 6 inches from Rock Rimmon out to the Briargate area downtown. We just barely saw that changeover from rain to snow, 1 to 4 inches. Same goes for the Broadmoor. Going to see a little less out at the Springs Airport and Security Widefield area, 1 to 4, 0 to 3. We'll call it 0 to 3 for Fountain. 6 to 10 inches at Cripple Creek. Woodland Park, you've already got 8 inches, got another 6 inches possible through the afternoon and evening hours. The big winners, Monument Hill, Black Forest, and other areas up here in the Palmer Divide, where we're going to continue to see that steady snow late tonight into early tomorrow morning. We could see a foot plus in many of those locations. Also, a pretty good reason why I-25 is closed in those areas. We've already seen more rain than snow here along your Highway 50 corridor. Quite a bit of rain in Pueblo. Needed moisture if we do see a changeover. No more than an inch of snow, 0 to 2 for Canyon City, and even the mountains south and west of Pueblo, not going to see a huge impact in terms of snowfall from this particular storm system. 2 to 6 out at Westcliff, 0 to 1 for Walsenburg and Trinidad. Just going to be too warm down there, especially with that storm taking the northerly storm track that it has. Your 7-day forecast here in Colorado Springs, expect those temperatures to start to rebound once we get into late week. In fact, as we look ahead to St. Patrick's Day weekend, not going to be doing too bad. Upper 40s by Saturday, 50 degrees for Sunday in Colorado Springs, hanging out in the 50s by the early part of next work week. And finally for Pueblo, rain to snow, still a possibility late this afternoon into the evening time. Still going to be windy tomorrow, but high temperatures going to rebound. We're going to be near 60 degrees by the tail end of the weekend.